If you import products from overseas suppliers, export goods to international markets, distribute inventory to customers, or manufacture products using raw materials and components, your inventory and cargo in transit represent a significant financial investment and operational risk. Your goods face exposures throughout the supply chain like damage or loss during international shipping, theft or damage during domestic transportation, spoilage or contamination in storage, fire or natural disasters at warehouse locations, and countless other perils that could devastate your inventory investment. Here's what many business owners don't realize. Standard commercial property insurance often provides inadequate coverage for inventory, especially goods in transit or at locations you don't own. International shipments may have limited or no coverage under standard policies. And piecing together separate cargo insurance and property insurance creates gaps and complications when losses occur. Marine Products Insurance provides specialized coverage designed specifically for businesses that import, export, distribute, or manufacture goods. We offer 3 distinct products that address different operational needs: stock throughput for comprehensive coverage throughout your entire supply chain, stock only for inventory at your storage locations, and cargo only for goods in transit. Understanding which product fits your operations is key to protecting your inventory investment properly. Stock Throughput is the most comprehensive marine insurance solution because it covers your goods continuously from origin to final destination, including both transit and storage. This seamless coverage eliminates the gaps and complications that occur when you try to coordinate separate cargo and property insurance policies. Stock Throughput is ideal if you import products from overseas, store them in domestic warehouses, and distribute to customers. It covers goods during international ocean or air transit, domestic transportation to your facilities, storage at your warehouses or distribution centers, and shipment to your customers. One policy, one insurer, continuous coverage. If you're an exporter, Stock Throughput covers your goods while you consolidate them domestically, store them before shipment, transport them to the port, and ship them internationally to your customers. If you're a distributor receiving inventory from multiple suppliers, Stock Throughput covers goods from the moment they're shipped to you until they're delivered to your customers. For manufacturers, this is particularly valuable. Stock Throughput covers imported raw materials and components during international transit, domestic transportation to your facility, storage before use in production, the finished goods in your warehouse, and shipment of finished products to customers. Your entire supply chain is protected under one comprehensive policy. The major benefit is simplicity. When a loss occurs, there's one policy to reference, one insurer to deal with, one deductible, and one claims process. No disputes about whether the loss happened in transit or storage or which policy applies. Stock only provides coverage specifically for inventory at your warehouse, distribution center, retail store, or manufacturing facility locations. This is the right solution if you already have cargo insurance for goods in transit, perhaps through your suppliers who ship under CIF terms, or through your freight forwarders who provide transportation insurance. Once goods arrive at your locations, you need property coverage for that inventory. While standard commercial property insurance covers your building and equipment, it often provides inadequate limits for inventory or has restrictions on certain types of goods. Stock only gives you specialized marine insurance for your inventory with expertise in handling goods-specific risks. This is particularly important for retailers with multiple store locations holding significant inventory, distributors with large warehouse facilities storing goods from various suppliers, and manufacturers who need higher limits for raw materials and finished goods than their standard property policy provides. Stock only addresses perils that are particularly relevant to inventory: spoilage of perishable goods, contamination that makes products unsaleable, theft of high-value inventory, damage from temperature control failures in cold storage, and water damage affecting goods even when buildings are undamaged. The marine insurance expertise means claims are handled by professionals who understand the unique nature of inventory losses, valuation challenges, and the need for quick claims resolution to minimize business interruption. Cargo only provides coverage specifically for goods while in transit for both domestic and international transportation without storage coverage. This is appropriate if you have adequate property insurance for inventory at your facilities, but need specialized coverage for shipments. Cargo only is ideal for businesses shipping high-value goods where standard freight liability or motor truck cargo insurance provides insufficient protection. It's essential for international shipments requiring ocean cargo or air cargo insurance with comprehensive all-risks coverage. And it's valuable for businesses shipping specialized commodities that need marine insurance expertise like chemicals, pharmaceuticals, frozen foods, machinery, electronics, or other goods with unique handling and risk profiles. Marine products serve key industries with particular strength in food and beverage, including frozen and chilled products, manufacturing and distribution across all sectors, commodities like agricultural products and lumber, chemicals and pharmaceuticals requiring specialized coverage, machinery and equipment for importers and exporters of industrial goods, consumer goods from electronics to apparel, and retail operations including coverage for social unrest and civil commotion risks. The simplified quoting process means you can get coverage quickly without lengthy underwriting delays. You have access to A-rated insurance capacity, providing financial security and confidence in claims payment. Large limits are available whether you need $500,000 or $50 million in coverage. And when losses occur, specialized cargo claims professionals handle your claims efficiently with expertise in marine insurance complexities. Your inventory and cargo in transit represent significant financial investment and operational risk. Without proper marine insurance coverage, a single major loss could devastate your business financially and operationally. Don't rely on inadequate commercial property insurance that leaves your inventory underprotected. Don't accept coverage gaps when goods transition from transit to storage or move between locations. Don't piece together multiple policies that create confusion and disputes when claims occur. Contact your insurance agent today and ask about marine products insurance. Explain your operations, whether you import, export, distribute, or manufacture. Discuss whether you need stock throughput for comprehensive supply chain coverage, stock only for inventory at your locations, or cargo only for goods in transit. Get a quote from a marine insurance program that provides simplified quoting, A-rated capacity, large limits, competitive pricing, and specialized claims handling. Protect your inventory investment with coverage designed specifically for businesses like yours that depend on goods moving through complex supply chains. Your business depends on inventory and cargo moving safely through your supply chain. Marine products insurance stock throughput, stock only, and cargo only provides the specialized coverage, expertise, and financial security you need to protect your inventory investment. Don't leave your most valuable assets inadequately insured. Contact your insurance agent today and ask about marine products insurance. Protect your supply chain with coverage designed for businesses that import, export, distribute, and manufacture.